Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your H2O wireless SIM card. First, make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with H2O wireless. Then, insert your SIM card. Or if you're using an eSIM, just scan the QR code H2O provides. Next, go to h2owireless.com or open the H2O Wireless app. This is the fastest way to activate your service. Enter your SIM card number and your phone's IMEI. Then, fill out your personal details and choose your plan. After submitting, activation usually takes 10 to 30 minutes. You'll get a confirmation text or email once it's done. If your SIM isn't recognized, just restart your phone. And if activation is still stuck, contact H2O support for help. And that's it. That's how to activate your H2O wireless SIM card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.